Hello everyone, this is Soumik Mukherjee and today I am going to discuss about computer system part 2. Part 1 we have already discussed. So the topic is data. What is data? Data is unorganized raw facts and figure given to a computer are called data. It means suppose there is something which we don't know about what kind of thing is this. It is called data. So like example, name is Rahul, marks is 75% and year is 2018. The three different word is there, Rahul 75% and 2018. So we know about Rahul, the name is, there is a name Rahul, it means that there is a boy. 75% means there is a number, and 2018, there is a kind of year. But we don't know what kind of words is this. Now let's talk about information. What is information? It refers to the meaningful process data. Okay, meaningful process data. It's called information. Example, Rahul, who passed in the year 2018, secured 75% marks. Now the above data is converted into meaningful information. Now let's differentiate between data and information. Suppose we have something which we don't know about this. It is called data. Suppose there is a raw data or raw figures, it is called data. And information means if the raw data is processed, then it will be a information. Okay. So whatever you input in the computer, it is called data, and whatever you see in the display unit, it is called information, because the data is processed by the CPU. Now next, look at the block diagram of data converting information. Look, there is a boy, there is a three data, this one, and this one. Three characters there, B, O and Y. Three character is there, so we referred as a three data. All the three data is processing, okay, going for the process. After the process, the information will be boy, and we know about what is boy. Boy is a meaningful word. It means a lad. Boy means a lad. Okay, so before the process of these characters, we know about the B, we know about the character O and Y, but the three different characters are unuseful because these are not processed. Okay, so after the process, it is a meaningful word, which is boy. Okay, now next one, storage capacity. Storage capacity. Storage capacity means the unit. Okay, that each and everything have some unit, like a weight have a unit of gram or kilogram. Same like that, we can also refer the unit of the memory. So in this figure, we can easily understand that there is a unit table, which is 1 bit. There is a 3 column. Okay, there is first column is 1 bit. The symbol is bit. Second row is 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. So next is 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte. The symbol is KB, and we can refer that 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Same like that, 1 megabyte. The symbol is MB. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte or KB. Okay, we can multiply by 1024 whenever we increase. Then again 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB. Okay, the gigabyte symbol is GB. Then again 1 terabyte TB. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 GB. Then 1 petabyte PB is equal to 1024 terabyte. Okay, so with the help of this table we can easily calculate that how much kilobyte is there or how much megabyte is equal to how much kilobyte. Okay, so we can calculate this with the help of this table.
Before we start, please subscribe our channel, that AK Knowledge by Abhimanyu Kushwaha, and like our video, and please do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.